Hey, this is JG with Kuryakyn, and today I'm going to give you the lowdown on our Freeloader and Deadbeat duffel bags. So here we have the Freeloader bag, here we have the Deadbeat, two very similar bags, both duffel bag styles, and two very popular bags in our Momentum lineup. Whenever we post one or the other, we always get one question: what's the difference between the two of them? So hopefully that's what I'm going to break down for you guys here today. Starting with some of the shared features, both bags are made from 1200 denier nylon textile that is UV and weather resistant. Fully waterproof rain covers are included with both bags, but I can tell you from experience you'd have to be riding in some pretty nasty weather to need the rain cover. Both bags feature an expandable top roll design that provides easy access and also means minimal zippers and seams leading to the main compartment. So water's really gonna have a tough time creeping in there. And while we don't say these bags are fully waterproof, they are damn close, and again, both do include rain covers for some added insurance. Additional shared features include an integrated front stash pouch, external bungee storage, removable shoulder straps, low profile carrying handles, metal D-rings, and our signature quick mount sissy bar straps that can adjust to a variety of sissy bar heights and styles. So now I mentioned the top roll design on these bags, and what you're seeing right here is kind of that in its completion. It's really just a wide fish mouth design that gives you easy access to load and unload your bag. And you've got a hook and loop closure on top, AKA Velcro, which is gonna seal everything up, and then as you roll it down, the more you cinch it, the more you're gonna eliminate water from being able to creep into the main compartment. Additionally, that top roll design is gonna allow you to adjust the height of the bag depending on how much cargo you're loading. So we talked about some of the similarities between the Freeloader and the Deadbeat, and now I'm gonna cover what makes them different. The first and most obvious difference is size. The Freeloader is gonna be kind of your big brother to the Deadbeat. It comes in at 33 liters, 21 inches totally expanded with a 12-inch diameter. The Deadbeat, on the other hand, comes in at 18 inches fully expanded, has a 10-inch diameter, and is 23 liters. So dimensions aside, a few of the other features you're gonna find on the Freeloader and not on the Deadbeat are a integrated water bottle sleeve on the side. You're gonna get an additional carrying handle, so that gives you one on each side versus only one on the Deadbeat. And the other cool feature about the Freeloader that you won't find on the Deadbeat is the bottom storage compartment. This little storage pocket is cool for shoes, flip-flops, tool rolls, whatever you want to stow away but have easy access to and not bulk up your main storage. So if you're in the market for a quick mounting sissy bar bag that you can get on and off your bike in seconds, get loaded in seconds, the Freeloader and the Deadbeat are two great options at very reasonable price points. If you want something that's going to give you a little bit more flexibility on long hauls, the Freeloader is for you. If you want something that's going to be strictly a commuter bag, you might want to look at the Deadbeat, but again, you'd be amazed at how much stuff you can fit in both of these bags. If you have any questions, shoot us a DM, hit us in the comments, or visit kuryakyn.com for more info.